Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss how to CSS. And in previous meetings, we have discussed a few various kinds of text in HTML, both tools related to text, paragraph, image, links, lists, and to tables. However, most of these elements or text are displayed as in by default without any touch of CSS. With all this meeting, we will briefly discuss how to add CSS to an HTML document. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Set, which is an arrangement of code that we use to set how to HTML and the documents may be displayed. What is meant by setting here is change the color, layout, border, shadow, position, background, and so on. In fact, our web page in this era almost certainly uses CSS, so that's all the sites that we explore on internet, and including good coding themselves are example of using CSS in inserting CSS in HTML. There are three ways to add CSS to HTML, and using inline CSS, using built-in CSS, and using external CSS. If you want to add more, we can also adjust the CSS of an HTML element with JavaScript generally. This method is only used for complex components such as graphic components. Using inline CSS, the first and the shortest way is to use the CSS inline, and inline CSS, CSS code that we embedded in any element in the HTML body directly. Using the style attributes, suppose we have two buttons that start out like this. And so, for example, and CSS inline and to write code HTML and title rename CSS inline and to the body and write to button. For example, nice, and so button exit. Nice. We can change the style of two buttons above by adding the style attribute directly like this, and so to add style and color, for example, red. Nice. And to style color, for example, blue, and to border, to pixel, and solid, and green. And next to the result of plants are dibagi and like this. Masuk and exit. And so, the method above is called inline CSS because we directly insert CSS on this line to using internal CSS. The second way is to use the internal CSS is CSS that is placed in the text head and section of an HTML page. And suppose we have to link a follower and to add new file and CSS internal .html and press enter, write code and title CSS internal. Next, to end the body and Try to text A and to write beranda, and next to take A and for example tantangan. Nice. And to finish and write text A and it to text hit and press enter and it to style and next to press enter take A border and padding for example to age pixel and next to border radius, for example to 4 pixel. Next, it to color white and background color for example to AB CA and AH. Next to text decoration, for example non and font family Arial. Next to the result, and the result run and start the bagi and phone like this and tanda tentang kami. Misalnya next and Branda tentang kami. So that's the output of the two buttons above becomes more colorful and pleasing to the eye and just as external to and the text body and is to text A and type to for example Branda and text A and for example to tentang kami and to back to and chat as external and write to text A and to for example padding and for example 8 pixel and pixel and next to border radius, for example 4 pixel and to color white and background color, for example HB, CH and CH. And next to text decoration, noun, and font family Arial, and to add text pairs of people and background color. For example, one is C2 and 6, and there are less people of people and the background color. For example, before 5A nice and to back and JSS and title, press enter, add to link and file, name file to external CSS and run, start lagi, and the result like this. Beranda tentang kami.